Hi guys, it's Shipbased here, and this is cabin 4109 on Costa Toscana. As you come into the room, you have the emergency muster station information. You have, this is like a door handle, but it can also use as like a hook as well. So you got this, you got a little wardrobe space here. There's all my clothes, and then we have the safe as well. Thermostat, card, and lights. These lights control like all of them, which is really great. And you also have one by the bed as well. Then we have the bathroom. You have two hooks on the back of the door here. Then you have these like cubby holes, a great little additional storage. These also come in your room, and you have to have them there or you get charged. Then we have towel rack, toilet, more storage area, mirror, shaver thing, mirror as well. And then you have the shower here. It's quite a nice sized bathroom, to be fair, and quite nicely designed. Lots and lots of space. And the light is actually inside the bathroom. Then we have the wardrobe space, which will have also the life jackets in on the top shelf. You can kind of like just store them under the bed as well if you really need the space. We're only on a 4-night cruise, so we don't need as much space. You've got lots of hangers here, and again, more storage. We put all our shoes there. For 4 nights, I think it's fine. Even for a week, I think it's fine. Any longer than that, I think there won't be as much storage, but it looks pretty decent. Then we come to the main area of the room. So we have the dressing table here with a mirror. Then we have so many water bottles. We bought the water package, hence why and these are the water bottles they give out. You have like this fruit bowl looking thing that doesn't move. You just stuff some stuff in there. Hairdryer in here. You get a chair as well. And you get more stuff in here, which have more stuff in there. Breakfast in cabin, room service here with the QR code, and then you've got the phone as well with all the things you need in case you need to use it. Also over here you have more hanging on the wall for your coats or jumpers or whatever. Under here you'll have your plugs. So you have 2 USBs and 2 European sockets as well. No American. I did bring American ones just in case, but they are all European. Bin. And then you have the TV. For English channels, there really isn't anything, to be honest with you. You can find the itineraries where you are, what's going on, but apart from that, TV is basically for English channels like useless. You have storage under the bed for your suitcases. They're on display because sometimes you can have like the bed things to cover out, but yeah, they're under there. Then you have 2 bedside tables. This one has a plug, this one does not. And then you have the light switches in the middle. Like I said, you can literally control all the light switches from here. So if you press these 2, that's the rooms. And this one, the top one with the light, is by the door. You can switch that off. So it's good you can control it, because sometimes when you go into bed, there's like one switch by the bathroom you haven't pressed and you have to get back up. There's also like reading lights up here, so once you switch it off, there is reading lights under here as well. If you just don't want the main lights on. There's one thing I have noticed with this side with the plug. So you have the plug, but you've got a USB. But I'm going to show you the example now. If you plug this in, this is kind of like a bigger one, but I did use it with a normal extender. You plug this in, it blocks the USB, so you can't like get to it. So obviously if you just have the USB, it's perfect, but if you want a plug and a USB, you can't use USB, even with like a normal socket. And then this one's like a bit bigger one, but I tried it with the one over there with just the plug, and it didn't work. So this is cabin 4109 on Costa Toscana. If you have any questions, please put in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions you may have. Thank you so much for watching. It's been Shipbased here, and I'll see you guys in the next video.